Some people have trouble installing Photoshop of any version after they download it with sabnzbd. Maybe other downloaders too, I don't know. This little trick seems to help most people. And I'll show you how to set SAB to download and keep the RAR files or zip files so you can extract them yourself. And normally this fixes the install problem. So first we'll open up sabnzbd and we'll go over to the SAB config area here. Click on that. And under categories, you will see default, normal, and delete for processing. We want to change that to download and save that. So when you download the file, it saves the RAR files or zip files so you can extract them manually. And I'll go over to my File Explorer and show you how that looks. Close that out here. And here we are in our File Explorer, and you can see I've downloaded Photoshop. And I've kept all the RAR files for this to extract manually. And we'll do that. Oh, this is extracted that. Enter the password. Our password is always NZB for you. Shouldn't take long. And here we have our extracted file manually. And everything is in here. And now you should be able to set up Photoshop without installed issues at 18% or 80% or wherever it wants to crap out at. Hope this helps some of you. Bye-bye.